Hi, I'm Guber, and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic. Today, we'll be making a fun recipe to celebrate both Lunar New Year and Valentine's Day called chocolate strawberry steamed buns. Let's start with making the dough. In a small bowl, combine a quarter teaspoon of sugar and a quarter cup of warm water and give it a little mix. Then sprinkle a 1 teaspoon of yeast on top and let it sit for about 10 minutes. It's critical to warm the water to the right temperature, which is around 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, you should start seeing bubbles appearing on top of the mixture. Once that's done, set it aside. Then, in a standing mixer, combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and the yeast mixture. Attach the dough hook and start mixing on low. Slowly add 6 tablespoons of whole milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Once everything is mixed, turn the speed up to medium and let it knead for at least 5 to 10 minutes. A few notes. Do not worry about the flour stuck on the sides. The machine will eventually mix everything together. Also, I usually like my chocolate a bit more bitter than sweet, so I only added enough sugar to retain that taste. If you like more of a sweet milk chocolate flavor, feel free to add more sugar into the dough. After 5 to 10 minutes, you should have a very smooth dough. Remove the dough hook, cover the mixing bowl with a piece of plastic wrap, and set it aside in a warm place for the dough to proof for at least 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, the proofed dough should have doubled in size. Take it out of the oven and put it back in the mixture and let it go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then transfer the dough to a clean and lightly floured surface. Roll the dough into a log and equally divide it into 12 pieces. Then cover them with a plastic wrap to prevent them from drying out while you assemble the buns. Take one dough ball and start rolling it out into a slightly thin disc. Then roll out the outer part of the disc into a thinner layer. We want to have a dish-shaped dough with a thicker center and thinner outer layer. The thicker center helps hold the bun together, while the thinner outer layer helps shape the rest of the dough. Then, using a small ice cream scooper, place 1 small scoop of strawberry preserves onto the center of the dough. Then, use your thumb and index finger to start folding a pleat all around the thin outer layer of the dough. When you get to the end, again use your thumb and index finger to pinch the top of the dough and twist it to completely close the bun. Place it on a piece of parchment paper or cupcake wrapper and repeat with the rest of the dough. Don't worry if your first few buns don't look as good, it all comes with practice. Once you've rolled out all of your dough, then it's time to steam them. Working in batches, place a few doughs into your steamer basket. Do not overcrowd them as they will expand when cooked. Then place the steamer on a pan or wok filled with around 2 inches of water. Turn the heat on medium and let it steam for 12 minutes. Make sure to pay attention to the water level. If it gets too low, fill it back up with more hot water. Otherwise, your steamer will be scorched. After 12 minutes, turn off the heat and let it sit for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out and let it cool for at least half an hour. Once the waiting is over, take it out, remove the parchment paper from the bottom, and there you have it. A fluffy, bitter, chocolatey bun with a sweet strawberry filling. The best food combination to celebrate both Lunar New Year and Valentine's Day this year. Delicious.